Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and make sure to follow my social medias. So I'm here with another collab, and this company is Ohuhu, and this is a PolyGel nail kit. And if you are interested in buying this, the link will be in the description. This is from Amazon, and this is my second PolyGel video. So this is my second time doing PolyGel, but this time with nail tips. So this is how the design looks, like the box looks, and it's very cute. So I was struggling like always. Go check out my other videos, especially my other PolyGel video. But here's a little pamphlet book, and it tells you all the colors and it tells you how to do it, everything. I had another like page behind this, but I didn't really show you guys. But here I'm just going to organize everything before I show y'all all the goodies that it came with. It comes with all 12 colors, all beautiful colors. So let's get started. So first thing we got is this little spatula thing. On one side it has like a spatula, and on the other side it has like a brush, which y'all will see I was struggling to opening it because the top was still there. I don't know what was happening, but here's the spatula and here's the little brush. Then we got a little nail file, and it's pretty thick. Then we got a cuticle pusher. We got a nail cutter. I said nail cutter, I mean nail clippers. Then we have these for the cuticle, to cut the cuticles. Then we got the slip solution. If I'm saying anything wrong, my fault, y'all, because I cannot talk. I don't know why I cannot talk right now. But these are the forms, and they have 100 pieces. Then we got 4 glitters, and the first one is blue. Then the other one is like pink purple. Then the other one is like silver glitter, and then the other one I'm not sure what color it is. It's like purple, blue, all together. I don't know, they look the same to me, the last 2 colors. Then we got the base coat and the top coat. These are really cute. The little bottles are really cute, like fancy or whatever. So then we got the 12 colors, and so 8 colors are normal colors and 4 are temperature color changing colors. And I did not know that. I really did it at first until I read it. But these are all the colors. They don't have like names or anything, so I can't really tell y'all. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But I will be showing y'all some swatches of the colors. And since I didn't know that 4 with temperature color changing, they all practically gonna look the same, like the last 4 colors. I think like they all gonna look the same because I didn't know. And like it was really hot in here, but I had the fan on, so I'm not sure if like they look different or what, to be honest with y'all. But y'all let me know if they look different or whatever when I show y'all the swatches and the side by side, because I will be showing y'all like the side by side from all the colors. But here we go. All of them have like that little silver thing to open it, and this is the first color. But anyways, I wanted just to talk to y'all and apologize for not being consistent on YouTube or consistent on my nail page, my main page, anything, because I have not been on social media nor posting on any accounts, no YouTube, no nothing. I'm sorry, I need to take a break, y'all. I really did. Like, I was just not feeling it. So yeah, but I'm back. Well, I might only post this video this week only because on August 21st, I told all of y'all that I was announcing my project. And I did not lie. I really do want to announce it on August 21st. But if I do not drop a video that day, or I don't announce my little project, I am sorry, y'all. I am still waiting for this one thing that I need for my project. And it still hasn't came. It was supposed to come this week, and it didn't. So my fault if I do not say anything that day or drop anything. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know in case y'all was wondering where I was, where I've been, or anything, if y'all care. But like I said, I hope you guys really support me in the little project that I've been working on, because I've been working on this for weeks and it's about to be a month, probably in some weeks, or like a couple weeks, 2 weeks or something, about to be a month or something that I've been working on this. So I really hope y'all support me, and I'm so excited to tell y'all I really am. So yeah, and follow me on all my social medias if you haven't. They will be in the description. If you want to cop any of my nail supplies or anything, it will be in the description where it says Amazon or shop my Amazon, something like that. I have a list for y'all, all of the supplies that I have bought from Amazon. You guys could buy it there. And if you go to my profile, you will see some hair stuff that I use, some stuff for technology that I use for my YouTube and all of that. And make sure to subscribe, make sure to watch all my videos, and thank you guys so much for all the subscribers that I have. But this is a side by side, and y'all see that the four last colors like are color temperature changing, but they look the same. Here I'm pushing back my cuticle, and then after I push back my cuticle, I'm going to use the end of my cuticle pusher to go back in my cuticles. And so here I'm doing the little TikTok hack that I learned, to put like top coat first, so then you could just snap off the thing, because I don't want these on my nails. But I did show you guys how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to file it with the nail file, like take off all the shine, and then you're supposed to put your base coat. But instead of base coat, I'm putting top coat, so my nails could just pop off after. So yeah, and y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it with a nail form, but I'm actually using nail tips because I did struggle using the nail form. Since this is my second time, I was struggling and I really got frustrated, like frustrated. The 2 coats of the top coat, then I secured it, and here I'm just going to show y'all the base coat because that's what you're supposed to put. But this is a slip solution, and then these are the 2 colors I was gonna do with the glitter and everything. I was gonna do with the nail forms, but yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it like with a nail form. I'm just gonna show you my thumb and that's it. But here basically I'm showing you guys that with the nail form it has to be sidewall to sidewall, and I'm going to show you guys on most of my nails. So if you're using nail forms, the nail forms have to be sidewall to sidewall, and if they're not, because obviously some kits, like the nail forms aren't for everybody, because some have chubby nails, some have skin nails, you feel me? Then you're gonna have to like go back in with the PolyGel if one of the nail forms don't fit you at the end. So here I'm just going to show you guys how I'm doing it with the nail form. I'm just opening up the slip solution, or if you don't got no slip solution, you could use alcohol that's like 60% or more. That's what I heard. Rubbing alcohol, but they gave me some slip solution, so that's what I use. So let's get started. So I'm just going to use like that little nudish color, and I'm just going to open it up. Then I'm going to get my nail form, and I'm going to squeeze some out of the tube to the little spatula thing. Then I'm going to put it on a nail form. Then I'm going to like dip my little brush in the little slip solution, and I'm just going to pat it down. And you could do this any length you want, and I'm not no professional, so I don't know how to do this good, but from the look of this, and when I was using it, this is a really good company if you are starting to do polygel nails. I'm not an expert, like I said, so, but I think, in my opinion, I think this is a cool kit and a good kit, so you should definitely go buy this. Link down below on Amazon. I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'm pretty sure it's affordable. I'm not sure how much it costs though, so don't take my word for it. But yeah, I really like this, but I really cannot do polygel nails. I don't know what is up with me, but I really cannot. I really can't. But just enjoy me doing this and failing. I literally like did like 2 nails and then I stopped doing these and then I just like let me do polygel nails on some nail tips. Y'all gonna see. Like after this one I just switched to tips. Like I said, I switched to tips and these tips will be available linked in the description where it says Amazon. Those tips will be there if you want some of these tips. Those are the tips and I use KDS nail glue. By the way, if you are wondering, I did not prep. All I did was that little TikTok hack again. I put the top coat 2 times and then I cured it and then I started doing this so I could just pop them off after. They weren't as hard. Well, they was hard to pop off at the end because this is polygel and I had never done this with polygel or anything. But so they was a little hard to take off. But overall, this TikTok hack works with anything, I believe. But so it worked with this polygel, and this is my first time doing polygel, well, using this polygel thing on nail tips. So I will say they were a bit thin, only because like I said, this is my second time doing it and my first time doing it on tips, so I'm not no pro, so don't come for me. By the way, do you guys like me talking in the videos or just putting the music and y'all like vibing in the music, or like both, like putting like music and then vibing? So here I'm just showing y'all that I'm putting the polygel on the nail and I'm like dipping my brush in a slip solution and putting the polygel towards my cuticle area and then pushing it down. And I don't know if I'm doing a mistake, so don't come for me, just give me advice in the comments if I'm doing something wrong. But yeah, I really love this kit. Like overall, even though it was challenging, I had to change the tips because I don't know how to use nail forms. I really love it though, and I really love the colors. I'm not even finna lie with y'all, it was hard, but hey, everything in life is hard and you just gotta keep going, and I kept going for y'all. But like I said, let me know down below if y'all like me talking in these. And what should I talk about? Like, should I get more detail with what I'm doing? Or like, should I just talk about life or ask y'all questions? Or what? Or should I just let y'all vibe to the music? Sometimes, to be honest with y'all, I don't really know like what to say, like how to explain stuff, because I'm really bad at explaining stuff. But if y'all want me to go into detail in one of my videos, I would, and I'll try my best to do that. By the way, y'all, since the slip solution before this, I was using like the glitter or whatever, and my little dapping dish had like glitter and stuff. So some of my nails have glitter on them because of the damn dapping dish and the little brush. There was still glitter on it, and there was glitter all over the place. So my nails gonna have a little bit of glitter in them, but overall they still came out cute. Like, I don't really give a, I really don't care. use a towel and wipe my hands with it, or my nails. I just put some cuticle oil, then bam. So I really love this color. Do you guys know where I could find this in like acrylic powder though? Comment down below if you do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. But bye.